Hello everyone, and I really need a haircut. I don't know what this video is going to be about, but I do want to film this specifically where Teen is going to cook. This is the
BBQ tonight.
Yeah, so Teen is going to cook a BBQ styled, Vietnamese styled BBQ.
Yeah.
So here's the kitchen that this hotel has provided. Anyone can use it. It's like in this separate little house. Here's the outside. This is not where we park our motorbikes. Where we park is more up there. And more down there is where we're going to do the barbecue. These little roofs right here are where all the homestays are. You said this place is called a village, right? What's it called?
Jang Village.
Cham Village?
Jang.
Jang.
Jang, that is the name. I think the name of the owner.
Oh, okay. The name of the owner. Here's another view of the houses. I don't know what you call these. Is it like a hut? I think in English it's like a hut or a... Damn, I forgot what they call these kind of houses. I think there's a special name for it. But it's like a little tiny house with 2 floors. So I left to go use the bathroom, and when I came back, wow, look at this. Yo, the food looks great for the barbecue. Wait, shouldn't you cover this? You can't just leave this open.
Huh?
You have to cover it so it doesn't get bad.
Okay, no. We are in good weather.
And what about the bugs?
No, but
I saw a lot of bugs here. Okay, so a few things I found out about Vietnam. One I mentioned in another video is danger doesn't exist here. Excuse me doesn't exist here. And apparently you can leave any food out in the open because it will never get bad. So we're supposed to leave to go buy fish, but she's doing something for 5 minutes, so I'm going to use this time to explain more in depth what I mean by those 3 things that I learned in Vietnam. So the first one was danger does not exist here. Now what I mean by that is there's a lot of things that would be considered dangerous back in my home in New York, but over here it's not considered dangerous. It seems a lot of the people here in Vietnam are unfazed by many things. They're just extremely calm and there's not much shock value. Everyone is just really cool about everything, and many things that would be a big deal is not a big deal here. Everyone just shrugs their shoulder and moves on. Number 2, I said excuse me doesn't exist over here. Now I mean that literally because I asked my girlfriend, who speaks perfect Vietnamese, translate excuse me. She said it doesn't exist. And I realized here that it's just like a culture over here. I realize it's just a culture here that people don't say excuse me, and it's not rude. You just either move out of the way, honk your horn, or just move past them. And it's not considered rude at all. So it's just the way it works around here. Look, they're laughing at me because I'm filming myself talking to my phone. So the last thing that I said was that Vietnamese people don't cover their food. And that's just something I observed. I can't really explain that. Wait, so can you tell me why Vietnamese people don't cover their food?
actually not Vietnamese people don't cover the food. Maybe a half. Like my mom, she still cover the food, but somewhere they don't.
Alright, because you never cover the food. Okay, so I want to film the hotel, leaving the hotel to just show you how far the entrance and exit is. I wanted to film on this, but I guess it's not working right now. First, let's take out the motorbike. Okay, so this is how you exit. Oh, you're gonna go fast on this bumpy road?
Yeah.
Oh,
Wanna see your ass.
so this road is super bumpy, and it's not just bumpy a little bit, it's bumpy a lot and for a long time. And it doesn't look bumpy, but it is.
No, it looks super bumpy.
We're near the exit.
Yeah.
People burn stuff for no reason. A fourth thing that I noticed about Vietnam: Vietnamese people all around Vietnam love to burn things for no reason. I mean, there is a little reason, a religious reason, and a superstitious lucky reason, but oh my god. Like, for example, if a guy has a business, he's a merchant and he's selling goods and he's not doing well, he would burn stuff to attract good luck. I'm sure there are other religious reasons, but I don't know them right now. Number 6. I think this is number 6. No, number 5. Of things I noticed about Vietnam is that in Vietnam you have to be quick. Now, when I mean quick, I don't always mean in your movement and your actions. I also mean in your thinking, especially when you're driving. You have to be extremely alert and make quick decisions on the road. Something my dad always taught me is, when you're driving, you must look everywhere. Super far, super close. Everything. Is that true?
Yeah,
Everyone here, or almost everyone here, is super quick on their thinking, their actions, and their decisions. Also, the services are really good and quick. And chick is buying Cadillac man. One last view of this place, Chang's Village. This is how it looks like in the night. It's pretty dark. They have some lights over here. Our house is the first one, or maybe that one, I'm not sure. These are the steps to go down. I forgot if I filmed this already. By the way, if you hear that music in the background, I'm not putting that music in the video. That is music that they're playing around over there. I guess to try to give like some peaceful vibe. And here's our place. So right now we're going to feed the little kittens in the darkness of the hotel. Okay. They should come running out like they did last time. Last time they just ran to us. Oh, right here, right here. Come. No, we come closer, come closer.
It's have 4.
Or maybe more than that, who knows?
Me, 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 me. Damn. Oh, the last one, Evan. Look, the last one.
The 4th cat.
Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me.
So cute. It's too bright. Don't put it right on top of them.
Mì có ăn đi nè, bên đây nè.